Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Wi-Fi error no internet secured error on Windows 11. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel, open Internet Options. Click Connections tab, click LAN Settings. Check Automatically Detect Settings, also uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Properties. Uncheck Internet Protocol version 6, select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. Check Obtain an IP address automatically, also check Obtain DNS server address automatically. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Wi-Fi, click Manage No Networks. Click Forget all known Wi-Fi networks. Click Show available networks. Fourth method is, click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Exit and restart system. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Seventh method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.